seems to find you. Now that you're here, I can remind you.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kiki and this is KISSIMMEE and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Do not be afraid to subscribe because it's lit over here. Welcome back to another styling video here on my channel. In today's video, we're gonna get into a look that's gonna give you something different, make you kind of forget that you even have locks. We're gonna have some curly hair and we're gonna do a half up, half down look. This look is based off of a failed attempt at doing a glue-in because I didn't want to put glue on my hair. So I'll put a clip of how I did the back pretty much, and that was a few weeks ago, or actually 2 months ago when I first attempted that. The next thing I'm gonna take is I'm gonna add this on top of the cap, and then I'm gonna add another cap on top of that, and that's when we're gonna add the protective, what is it? The protective shield, and then we're gonna get into it with the bundles. Your girl is not playing. You won't mess up these locks. All right, y'all, I struggled a little bit, but we got 2 caps on. The black one, then the shower cap, then another black one. Now I'm about to go in with this. Good morning, Jill. This protective shield and put it on the back. So I pretty much just did it in the mirror because it's kind of hard to see, but I just applied it this way, add it here. I'll just do my last little pass. So we're gonna take some of the glue that we'll be using to secure the tracks to my head, and we're gonna go around the perimeter to like make a line of demarcation of where I'll use the scissors to cut the thing. So here's the foundation. We're gonna start adding our bundles. We're starting with a 20-inch bundle. I didn't get anything too long because I'm gonna be dealing with all that hair. It's hot. We in Florida, if I haven't told you before. Oh, y'all probably don't know that, but while we're recording this, we're in Florida. So, yeah. All right, y'all. It's kind of been awkward to show y'all what I've been doing, but here's the end of this. We're about to cut this under piece off and then gather my hair into the ponytail and then wrap the ponytail around. But we're gonna run it back this way, and so based on the failed attempt at the glue-in, we now have a pretty much like a half wig. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna sew this onto the back of my hair to give that half down effect. And then we're gonna refresh the top of my hair and put it in a ponytail, add some track pieces around it to finish off that half up, half down look. If you're interested in seeing more, stay tuned. I can't wait to show y'all what we're gonna do. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Well, let's get into the style. We're gonna start by sectioning the top part that will be in the ponytail from the back. And then I'm going to braid down the back of my hair to create a foundation. Since my hair is a little longer, I'm going to flip the braids up and then secure them with a neck cap. Now let's put this half down piece that we got from our failed attempt at the glue-in, but created something new like a half wig. We're going to put that on the back of our hair and then prepare ourselves to sew it on. I'm going to take that curved needle and I'm going to sew from one ear to the other. Because of the way I glued the hair onto the cap previously, the cap is still able to fit snugly at the bottom of my hair, and I only need to secure the wig part that we created to the top part of my hair so it doesn't slide down. Now that we're done with the back, let's move on to the front. It's time to refresh this retwist. This spray is typically used to kind of cleanse your scalp if you have braids, so I decided to use this since I'm in between a retwist and I wanted to kind of help my scalp with its itchiness and feeling dirty. I'm just adding some lock gel to my damped roots and simply twisting the hair so that it looks fresh. Now that we've refreshed all of our locks in the front, we're going to gather them up to the desired ponytail that I would like. And I'm going for a more lower half up, half down rather than a high half up, half down. I decided to secure my ponytail with a ponytail holder and then come back with 2 rubber bands to hold my ponytail together so that the locks are not loose. I'm using a rubber band and I'm looping it around itself and switching it over to create a knot that I could still make a ponytail with, kind of how your braiding hair would come secured to the package, so that I can start off by securing this hair for my ponytail part.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show?
Now this ponytail is simply secured with some straight bobby pins. So I'm gonna wrap a little bit, put a bobby pin or two in, wrap some more, another bobby pin, and so on and so forth until you get to the top of your hair. I took one of the straight bobby pins and I stuck it through the weft of the hair, and now I'm going to pin that where it's sideways at the top of my ponytail to create that wrapped look that you can't see the ponytail holders that you use to secure the original ponytail.
Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item.
I use some foam to slick the hair, and then I'm going to wrap it. And as I get toward the end, I'm going to secure it with some Got2b hairspray.
So I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know what time it is right now? Yeah. It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now.
I'm definitely happy with how it turned out. You're going to see me check out that ponytail in the mirror, and you can see it's secure and looking good. And here is the final results of this half up, half down look over my locks.
I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voicemails that you left me, telling me where I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I've been, I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you. You said you never traded no, and I believed you when they told me don't.
Alright, so that is it for this video. Let me know down below in the comments if you're feeling this look and other looks that you would like for me to try. That is it for today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Continue to show me some love. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. And that is it for today's video. Bye.
Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start?